everyone, so today's lesson is how do we find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So the first thing that we need to do is identify what we need to find the discriminant, okay? So the formula for this is b squared minus 4ac, and if you're familiar with the quadratic formula, it's part of the quadratic formula, okay? So in order to use this formula, we need to know what a, b, and c are. And that's why it gives you this quadratic equation in standard form. So we've talked about this before where this is a, this is b, and this is c. So not including the variables, we don't even need the variables in this case. We're only looking at the numbers, the coefficients. We're going to take those numbers and we're going to plug them into our formula, b squared minus 4ac. So if you want to write it out, a is equal to -4, b is equal to 5, and then c is equal to -9. Those signs have to go with them. So this subtraction sign, treat it like a negative. So that's a -9. So it says b squared. In this case, it's 5. So I'm going to start filling this in. I'm always going to put parentheses around anything that needs to be squared, even if it's positive, just to get in that habit. So 5 squared minus 4 times a, which in this case is -4, times c, which in this case is -9. Then from there, you simplify. You use order of operations. So the first thing we want to do here is 5 squared. That would give us 25 minus 4 times -4 times -9. Now we want to multiply all of these together. So I want you to treat this like a -4 also. So -4 times -4 times -9, that gives us -144. Now from there we just do our subtraction, 25 minus 144, that gives us -119, and that's our answer. So just to summarize, you're gonna need this formula. This is a very important formula when finding the discriminant. That's the formula for this. They're going to give you a quadratic formula in standard form. You have to identify a, b, and c, and then you just take those numbers, substitute into this formula, and simplify from there. And that's it.